The Debian 13 came out as a couple of days ago as I'm recording this, so today we're going to install it on this laptop and this laptop. It's my old laptops. Oh, and about the mask, I'm not sick, I just having dental issues at the moment. I got two USB drives here. Either one with a, what do I call it? One with a live installation and one with an installation, if that makes any sense. So, we're going to put it on, we're using this laptop first. This laptop with Fedora on, but I'm not really a fan of how, well, I don't know. I'm just more familiar with Debian based distros like Ubuntu, Linux Mint, etc. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, we got our installation. This be here. Gotta plug it in, run the installer. F12 boot menu. USB. Graphical install. That's it, graphical install. There we go. English, that's correct. Okay, ran into a bit of a problem here. The bootstrap error, I have no idea what that means. Try to live install this or flash drive. Hopefully that'll work. And you go straight to install Debian. Next. 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 Let me erase everything. If you guys are wondering, I didn't put any data into Fedora previously, so it should be okay. I'm not going to lose any crucial files. Yes, looks like we finally got Debian on here. So we start now. Are we in? This is not the latest and greatest laptop after all. And here we are. I like the look of this. I think this is the known desktop environment, and I like the way it looks and feels. No, I said I was supposed to put on this laptop too, but I'm gonna wait a little bit, see if I like Debian before I pull the trigger. So you guys like this video and see more, give it a smash like button and subscribe. Notification bell, and as always, remember to stay outside.